Hey, do you want to make money online? Do you want to start your own online business from home and earn extra income? Then this video is for you. Please watch this video till end. I'm not going to take a lot of time, but this video can change your life. I'm going to show you how you can start your own online business from home and work for just 2 to 3 hours a day, and you can make money online. Hi, my name is Ayaz Muhammad. I'm an affiliate marketing coach and I'm organic lead generation expert. And I have trained more than 20,000 people how to make money online doing affiliate marketing business. So I'm going to show you how you can do affiliate marketing business and make money online. There are many online business, but we recommend affiliate marketing because affiliate marketing is most reliable and trusted online business, and it's a long-term business. It is not quick money rich or quick rich program or quickly making money. It's not like that. It's a long-term business which you can set step by step and create a long-term business. So those who do not know what is affiliate marketing is basically an online business of earning commission by selling other people's product. So it is online sales business. You earn commission on selling product. The beauty of this business is that you don't have to create your own product. The product is already created by someone, some other company, and you have to just select those products which you want to promote and do the marketing and promotion on digital platform, social media, or digital platform. You just have to promote the product in such a way that you generate sales. And for every single sales you generate, you earn commission. That's how affiliate marketing works. But there are many people who start affiliate marketing, but they don't get success. Why they don't get success? Because most of the people, they start affiliate marketing as random business. They just see somebody is earning. They just see a couple of videos in YouTube or Facebook or any other social media platform that somebody is earning with affiliate marketing. They also start affiliate marketing business, because see, affiliate marketing, anybody can start. And since anybody can start, everybody starts, but they don't get success. Why? Because they do not work with the right strategy. They do not follow the right process. It's not only affiliate marketing. Any business you talk about, if you do not follow the right strategy and right process, you won't get success. And same applies to affiliate marketing. So the key point is that you have to learn the business. You have to follow those steps. You have to follow the right strategy, and then only you can get success in online business. So I'm going to show you, I will share my screen and I'm going to show you that how, like what you need to do affiliate marketing business, how you can do affiliate marketing business successfully from home by working just 2 to 3 hours a day. You don't have to disturb your regular job or business, what you're doing. Or you are, even if you are studying as a student. I have so many people in my team who are students and they're earning good money every month. So that's the beauty of this business, that you can do this from anywhere you want. And like you decide whether you want to work 2 to 3 hours a day, 5 hours a day, full-time, part-time. It's everything is your decision. So let me share my screen and I will show you that how we are going to help you to get success in online business or in affiliate marketing business. Okay, so let me share my screen. Yes, so this is my screen. Okay, so I'm going to show you that what you need first to make your affiliate marketing business successful, to make your online business successful. So first thing, you need an affiliate marketing platform where you're going to do the business. If you want to open a shop, if you want to open like any kind of shop, you need the market area, right? Or you need the supermarket, or you need the malls where you'll open the shop. So you need the platform first, right? Where you can do the business. You need the platform. Okay. The next thing, you need the best strategy to do the business successfully. So you have to learn. You will not get automatically. You have to learn that what are the best strategy, how to do affiliate marketing business successfully. You have to learn that, right? It doesn't come automatically. Nobody learns from the birth. You have to learn it. You have to put effort to learn that. Next, you just knowing the strategy is not enough, right? You have to learn the exact process, step by step process. For that, you need proper training and mentorship. Then only you can learn that process properly. You will follow that process properly and you will do the business successfully. After that, once you learn the process, you need the products. You need the product which are best selling products, and it should give you good commission, high commission products. The product is very, very important. You need the product which you can promote, then only you can earn commission. So next is product. So you learn, you got the strategy, you got the platform, you got the strategy, you got the training, you got the products. Now if we leave you, okay, you do the business, you know the process. Can you do that? When you apply it, whatever you have learned, when you apply practically, you will face a lot of practical challenges. So you need somebody to keep guiding you regularly so that you can ask your queries, or wherever you are stuck, somebody can guide you regularly, right? So for that, you need regular training. So regular training and guidance you need. Okay. After that, what you need? After that, you need, okay, you're getting training, you got the product, everything, but still you need, in initial period, you need somebody to support you in sales, to help you how to get sales, right? To help you to closing for the sales. Then only you will earn commission, right? So you need sales support to help you in getting sales. Now, these are the things which you require if you want to do business successfully. Now imagine, what if I tell you that we will provide every of these things, what I have told you, best of the best of all these, we will provide ready-made done for you. You don't have to search for it. You don't have to do any experiments, no R&D. We are going to provide the best of the best platforms, best of the best strategies, training, products, guidance, everything we are going to provide you. How easy it's going to be to do business and earn money, isn't it? So we will provide everything for you, provided you are really, really serious to do online business. We need commitment. We need committed people. So if you're committed people, you're ready to take actions, you're action taker, then we can help you to do this business successfully. So before going ahead, let me introduce myself. My name is Ayaz Mohammed. I'm an organic lead generation expert, and I am affiliate marketing coach. I have trained more than 20,000 people how to make money online doing affiliate marketing business. And it is my mission that I want to develop more than 1 million digital entrepreneurs in India. That's my mission. And just show you some of my earning proof, because you should understand that I have done this. I'm doing affiliate marketing business for almost 5 years now. And I have done a lot of research before. I have spent a lot of money in learning the business. Initially, I was not getting success. So I did a lot of experiments. I have learned, and then I mastered it. So I know what works, and that's why I can teach you. So I know how to do affiliate marketing, what kind of product to select, what should be the strategy, and that's what I can teach you. So this is one of the product which I was affiliating, and within 12 months, within 1 year, I made $31,311 commission affiliating a single software product. This is another affiliate platform where I made $40,000 in just 10 months. Another product which I was promoting in India, I generated a sales of 2,57,000 rupees in just 1 week. Why I'm showing you all these things? To make you understand that what you're going to learn from me is really worth. That is number one. Number two, I want you to understand the potential you have in online business. It's huge. It's huge potential, provided you do it in the right way. Otherwise, you'll be like average people. You'll be like random people who start random business and don't get success. I'm sure you don't want that, right? You want to get success in online business. You want to do affiliate marketing business successfully. So if you're really serious, you're really committed to make money online, then we can help you. We have the solution for you. Okay. And the solution name is LeadsArc 2.0. What is LeadsArc 2.0? LeadsArc 2.0 is the second version of our LeadsArc, which was launched 7 months before in June. Okay, we launched first version of LeadsArc in June 2020. In June, we launched LeadsArc and we got huge success in that 6 to 7 months period, where we have so many people who have joined our team and who have got success in affiliate marketing, who are working under our guidance. And then after that, now recently we have launched LeadsArc 2.0, which is more advanced platform of what we had before. So last 7 months journey, if you see, we have more than 10,000 people already, 10,700 affiliates, team members in our team. And we have paid more than 3.7 crore commission already to our team members. 3 crore 70 lakhs commission we have paid to our team members, to our affiliates already. And we are ISO certified platform. So these are the three achievements. The biggest achievement I will say in last 7 months. So now let's talk about LeadsArc 2.0, which is the latest version and which is the most advanced version. So LeadsArc 2.0 is India's most advanced and ISO certified affiliate platform. LeadsArc 2.0 is the complete solution for you. Why I'm saying complete solution, everything which I told you that you need to do affiliate marketing business, you will get everything here in that, and even more than that, I can assure you that. Okay, so in LeadsArc 2.0, you get the affiliate marketing platform to do the business, which is ISO certified platform. Best strategy to do affiliate marketing business. I told you, after the platform, you need the strategy. So we are going to help you with the best of the best strategy to do affiliate marketing business successfully. You will get excellent training and mentorship here in this platform. You will also get the product, so you don't have to do the research. The product is ready-made, done for you, which you need to promote, and you need to get the business done, like you earn money. So we will provide you easy selling and high commission digital information product. Okay, digital information product means e-learning product, which we will provide you, which you get in this platform. And continuously weekly live training is there, where you, whatever the challenges you are facing, you can come and ask your queries in those weekly live training. And also you will keep getting new things to learn, like all the updates in the market. And I told you, you need the support in sales. So we provide, like we conduct live and automated webinars to support you in sales. So automated webinar is there, that every day 4 to 5 sessions keep happening every day. And we have weekly 2 live sessions also, where you can invite your leads to the webinar. Just make the leads to attend the webinar. We do the presentation and we try to do the closing for you. So that way you get the sales support, right? Initially, when you are in learning phase, huge earning potential you have, plus passive income opportunity in this platform, and weekly payout. So you don't have to wait for a whole month to get the money in your account. You get paid every week. So there is nothing more motivating than seeing the money in your account as quickly as possible. So you get this money every week. Well, we do the payout every week, weekly payout. So these are the platform. That's why I told you LeadsArc 2.0 is the complete solution. Like whatever you need to do affiliate marketing business successfully, you have everything. And that's LeadsArc 2.0 for you. Now, let me tell you about products in LeadsArc 2.0. I told you that we are giving you the product which you need to promote. And these products are LeadsArc Lite, Standard, and LeadsArc Pro. These products are like e-learning product. E-learning in the sense, I told you, right? Training courses. So these are the training courses. Okay. So we have 3 courses right now: LeadsArc Lite, Standard, and Pro. Lite is the most basic course, and then we have LeadsArc Standard, then we have LeadsArc Pro, like more advanced and more advanced. Okay, so LeadsArc Lite, you get my own course of organic lead generation, because see, lead generation is the most important thing if you want to do affiliate marketing, because you need to generate highly qualified leads who can help you, like who are ready to buy your product, who can purchase your product. Then only you earn commission, right? So if one thing you want to learn, which is most important in affiliate marketing business, is quality lead generation. So you get my course here, which is organic lead generation course by myself. Okay, and this course you get in LeadsArc Lite, plus you get 8 bonus courses worth $1,192 worth bonus courses you are getting. That is in LeadsArc Lite. Then we have LeadsArc Standard, where you get LeadsArc Lite, everything what you have in LeadsArc Lite, plus you get LeadsArc Affiliate Marketing Strategy by Shivam Gupta. Shivam Gupta is super affiliate marketer, and for him you get this another course, LeadsArc Affiliate Marketing Strategy by Shivam Gupta. Then personal branding training course you get by Ms. Diya Asrani. Personal branding is very important in affiliate marketing, because you create your brand in social media. You create your authority position, then only people believe you, people trust you to purchase your product. So you learn personal branding by Ms. Diya Asrani, and additional bonus courses will be there. So that is in LeadsArc Standard. Then we have LeadsArc Pro, which is most advanced product, most advanced course, I can say. You get everything which is available in LeadsArc Lite and Standard. Plus you get another of my course, which is Affiliate Marketing Mastery Like a Pro by myself. Okay, this course is a complete about affiliate marketing. Okay, I will tell you in details what you will learn here. Then you have another my course, which is sales training, that I'm going to teach you how to strategize your sales, how to pitch your sales, complete about the sales training you get here in this course. Then you have another course which is CPA affiliate marketing training by the super coach Mr. Shabbir Ahmed Khan. He's India's leading CPA marketing coach, and he's going to train you how to do CPA affiliate marketing. Plus we have another beautiful course which is called as Win Your Way to Success with personal branding in Instagram and LinkedIn. The course is created by Miss Deepika Shah. She is again senior trainer, leading trainer in India, to teach you how to do personal branding and Instagram marketing and LinkedIn marketing and how to generate leads from there. All those things you learn in this course. Plus, you also get Instagram, a special Instagram marketing course by super affiliate Aman Rajput. He's been very successful in affiliate marketing, and he's going to teach you how to use Instagram to promote your offers, to increase your followers, all those things you learn in this course. Okay, so these are the three products we have. I'll go little detail about the products because you should know what exactly the details, what you will learn in these courses. So the most basic course which I told you is LeadShark Lite. Okay, and what you will get in LeadShark Lite, you get organic lead generation course by myself. Okay, this organic lead generation course, you learn organic lead generation, social media marketing, personal branding, attraction marketing, content marketing, more advanced strategy of organic lead generation, advanced group promotion strategy, product review strategy, and lead magnet offer strategy. All these things you learn in this course, which is organic lead generation course. And why I'm telling you organic, the beauty of our course is that you do not have to spend a single penny on any marketing. No paid ads, no Google ads, no Facebook ads, without spending any, there's no marketing cost at all. Okay, so organically we help you to use your social media platforms and generate leads and do business organically. So no expenditure at all, no marketing expenditure at all. Okay, so this course you get, plus you get 8 bonus courses which I told you worth $1,192, almost $1,200 bonus courses. So in these three total 8 bonus courses, in that first 3 are video courses and the next 5 are ebook courses. So social media content creation, YouTube SEO, email marketing automation. These are the 3 additional courses you are getting, video courses. And then you have ebooks like internet marketing for complete beginners, YouTube quick start, affiliate marketing success, Facebook group domination, Facebook messenger marketing. All these things you get ebook courses, all are 8 bonus courses worth $1,192. Plus we will continue doing weekly live training. Weekly live training we do, as I told you, that where you have any queries you can ask, and we also invite outside trainers, coaches, different leaders to come to these things and teach you different things about online business and any queries you have. And all important sessions are recorded and being uploaded in the course as well. Then the next course after Lite, the more advanced, is LeadShark Standard. So in LeadShark Standard, you get everything which is there in LeadShark Lite. Plus you get additional course, which is LeadShark Affiliate Marketing Strategy by Mr. Shivam Gupta. He's the super affiliate and top most performer in LeadShark. Okay, so he's going to teach you the basic concept of affiliate marketing. What is LeadShark affiliate marketing? How to affiliate LeadShark? What are the advantages? Why you should do LeadShark affiliate? How to generate leads for that? How to close the sales? All these things you learn in this course by Shivam Gupta. Okay, so this is another course you are getting in a standard. Another course you are getting personal branding training by India's most renowned personal branding coach, Ms. Dia Asrani. So here you learn how to position your brand, how to create your brand, like how to put content, how to create your brand kit, basic of copywriting. All these things you learn here in this course, personal branding training by super coach, by super trainer, this Dia Asrani. Okay, so these are the 2 additional courses you are getting in LeadShark Standard apart from Lite. Okay, and of course the additional bonus will be there, bonus courses. Then we are coming to LeadShark Pro, which is most advanced course of LeadShark. Now here you are getting, like I tell you, this is going to be hub. It is not just 1 or 2 courses. It is going to be hub. We are going to add a lot of courses here. But right now what you will get, I'm just telling you. So you will get, apart from whatever there in LeadShark Lite and LeadShark Standard, apart from that, you are getting my another course, which is about affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing mastery by myself. And this is like you learn affiliate marketing concept and strategy, niche and product selections, how to work like a pro, different affiliate platforms like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, how to get the offers from there, how to promote those products, all the things you learn here. And then finding killer products apart from, like beyond these affiliate platforms also, there are many products which I will show you, all the secrets I'm going to show you. Marketing and promotions of affiliate offers, how to do the marketing and promotion, advanced strategy of lead generation, all these things you learn in this affiliate marketing course by myself. Not only this, you get another course by myself which is about sales training, I told you, where you learn the complete advanced sales strategy, how to pitch your affiliate product, how to do objection handling, sales closing, sales script, everything you learn in this sales training. Okay, then you have third course, course number 3, CPA affiliate marketing training by Mr. Shabbir Ahmed Khan. As I told you, he is India's one of the leading CPA affiliate marketing coach, and he is going to teach you what is CPA marketing, how to get CPA offers from IMC platform. IMC is his own platform where more than 2,000 CPA offers are listed. He's going to show you how to select offers, how to promote, how to create ad copies, how to do the keywords research, create Bing ads, and also get how to get Bing ad coupons, okay, for your initial campaigns. Also, he's going to give you ready-made, done for you landing page funnels which you can use. So all these things you learn in this CPA affiliate marketing training by the super coach Mr. Shabbir Ahmed Khan. Then we have another course I told you, Binge Your Way to Success with Personal Branding on Instagram and LinkedIn. On Instagram and LinkedIn, online course by Miss Deepika Shah, super trainer Miss Deepika Shah. Here you are going to learn, not only learn, you're going to master your personal branding, how to dominate Instagram, how to dominate LinkedIn, content creation strategy, content creation magic, storytelling method, video marketing, and becoming an engagement expert. All these things you learn in this course by super trainer Miss Deepika Shah. Then you get special Instagram marketing training, which is specialized for Instagram by the super affiliate Aman Rajput. He's very successful in affiliate marketing. He's one of the best performer in LeadShark as well, where you learn the complete about how to use Instagram to promote your affiliate offers. So all these courses you are getting in LeadShark Pro, and this is not the limitation. As I told you, we will keep updating, we'll keep adding content, we'll keep adding courses, and you will get access to everything. It's a lifetime access. So affiliate marketing, all these courses I told you, affiliate marketing training by myself, sales training by myself, advanced CPA pro training by Mr. Shabbir Ahmed Khan, Win Your Way to Success by Ms. Deepika Shah, Instagram marketing by Aman Rajput, and additional bonus courses and continuous update. Everything you get in LeadShark Pro. So these are the 3 products we have. Okay, so LeadShark 2.0 is the complete solution if you want to do affiliate marketing business successfully. Okay, so there are some people who purchase this course only to get knowledge. They take the knowledge. Many people don't apply. Even if they apply, they want to apply to some other products, like they have other affiliate products. They just want to learn from here and apply on any other products. They can do. You are always welcome. You can learn from here and apply on any other product. So then there is no business relationship between you and us. But we are giving you affiliate marketing opportunity where you can promote our own LeadShark product. The 3 products which I showed you, LeadShark Lite, LeadShark Standard, LeadShark Pro. These are the training courses. Now you have the option that you can promote these products and make money. So whatever you learn here, you can apply on any other product, as well as you can apply on these product also and promote, because these are e-learning products. So you can promote these e-learning products, LeadShark Lite, Standard, and Pro, and you can also make money online with LeadShark itself. And that's the opportunity given to you. Okay. So every single sales you do, you earn direct sales commission. Direct commission, right? Like every sales you generate. So any product you sell of LeadShark, you earn commission. How much you earn, I will show you that. Okay. So that is your direct sales commission. Not only that, in LeadShark, you are having passive income opportunity also, which is called as team performance bonus, TPB, team performance bonus, where when your direct team members, when they do sales, you earn commission on that. Only your direct team members, not below that. This is not multi-level marketing. This is not network marketing. Keep that in mind. So only your direct team members, when they do sales, you earn team performance bonus on that. Only your direct team members. And how they become your team members? When you sell the product to anyone, those people, because they're also affiliate marketer, right? They also want to do online business. That's why they have purchased this product. Random people will not purchase the product. No, they are purchasing this training course because they want to make money online. They want to do affiliate marketing. So once you sell this product to anyone, they automatically becomes your direct team members, only direct team members. So whoever you are selling directly, they become your direct team members. And once they do sales, you earn team performance bonus on that. How much you earn, I will show you that. Okay. So first, let's talk about the product price. How much? What is the cost of these three products we have? What is the price for LeadShark products? Okay, so we have three products: LeadShark Lite, Standard, and Pro. And I want to put pricing in one simple table so that you can compare. So we have three products, as I told you: Lite, Standard, and Pro. And this is a regular price. Means this is the price going to be after some time. We will increase the price to this price. This is going to be regular price. But right now, as I told you, we have recently launched LeadShark 2.0. So we are offering 50% discount at the moment. So this is the launch offer price. So right now we are selling at this price. So LeadShark Lite regular price is 4,000. With 50% discount, we are selling at 2,000 rupees plus 18% GST, which is government rate. So net price is going to be 2,360. And I told you, right, everybody who purchases our product gets this affiliate marketing opportunity. So in affiliate marketing opportunity, we have three categories: silver, gold, and platinum. So anybody who purchases Lite gets silver category of affiliate marketing business. Okay. LeadShark is Standard, which regular price going to be 7,000 rupees. And right now with 50% discount, we are selling at 3,500. With 18% GST, the total net amount will be 4,130. And gold category of affiliate marketing business opportunity. LeadShark Pro, 14,000 is the regular price. Right now we are selling at 7,000 rupees plus GST. The total amount, the net amount is going to be 8,260 rupees. And platinum category of affiliate opportunity. What is the difference between silver, gold, and platinum? Of course, the commission amount will be different, which I will explain in the next slides. So hope the pricing is very clear. 2,000, 3,500, and 7,000 is the current price. And inclusive of GST, it is 2,360, 4,130, and 8,260 for these three products. Okay. Now let's talk about the affiliate commission. Like if you sell LeadShark product, how much commission you will earn? So commission depends on your category of affiliate opportunity, whether you are silver, gold, or platinum. So these are the three categories we have: silver, gold, platinum. Silver means somebody who has purchased Lite. Gold means somebody who has purchased a Standard. Platinum means somebody who has purchased Pro. And when they do sales, they earn commission. Okay. So how much commission they will earn? So first we will talk about, let's say, silver category. So silver, if they do direct sales, means he's still selling the product directly. So on every Lite direct sales, he earns 1,500 rupees commission. Every Standard direct sales, he earns 1,800 rupees commission. And every Pro direct sales, he earns 2,200 rupees commission, somebody who is in silver category. And here we have passive income, which is called as team performance bonus, TPB. Means when his direct team members makes any sales, he earns passive income. Okay. So if somebody is at silver category, if his direct team member makes sales of Lite, he earns 100 rupees. This person will earn. If his direct team members is selling a Standard, he will earn 200 rupees. And if his direct team member selling Pro, he will earn 300 rupees. Now let's talk about category of gold affiliate category. Who will get gold? Somebody who has purchased a Standard. So if he's directly selling Lite, he gets 1,500. Standard means 2,500. Pro also same 2,500. And if his direct team member is selling product, he gets passive income, as I told you, TPB. On Lite sales, 200 rupees. On a Standard second level sales, 400 rupees. And on Pro, 400 rupees. Same. Standard and Pro, same commission he earns. And if somebody is platinum, okay, affiliate category of platinum, who has purchased LeadShark Pro, he gets the platinum. So on direct sales of Lite, 1,500. On direct sales of a Standard, 2,500. On direct sales of Pro, 5,000 rupees commission he earns. 5,000 rupees. And tier 2 means, which is team performance bonus, when his direct team member is doing sales. So on team performance bonus, on Lite sales, he get 200 rupees on every single sales. Every TPB is on every single sales. Okay, 200 rupees. Here on a Standard sales, 500 rupees. and on pro sales 1000 rupees team performance bonus passive income commission. Why we say passive income? Because for this sales you are not working, your team member is doing sales and you are earning, so that's why it's called as passive income. Okay, so this is the commission structure. So you have huge earning opportunity here, where you are getting direct sales commission as well as passive income. So you are getting immediate income and you are also building a business for the long term with the passive income opportunity. So it's a huge opportunity you have. So now you will say, what is the proof that your team members are earning? So see, we have hundreds of people who are following our strategy and process and making this business successfully, doing this business successfully and earning a lot of money every week, not every month, every week. Okay, because we do weekly payout. So some of the people I'm sending you, I'm showing you the screenshot because it's not possible to show everyone. So see the some of our team members like Sachin Rajput, he has already earned more than 1 lakh from this system. We have Pooja Yadav, who has earned more than 1 lakh. Deepak Negi, more than 1 lakh. We have Manisha Vejapara, more than 1.4 lakhs, 1,40,000. Aryan Chaturvedi, more than 2 lakhs he has earned. Tarun Deep, 2,20,000. Polami Roy, 2,26,000. Amit Namasudra, 2,50,000. Deepak Gupta, 2,60,000. Miraj Ansari, 3 lakhs. Sidhu Upadhyay, 3.5 lakhs. Mohit Sharma, 3.8 lakhs. Akshay Agarwal, 4 lakhs. Gyandev Gupta, 4.48 lakhs. And we have top four earners in our team. So fourth one is Raj Singh, who has made more than 5 lakhs already. Okay, 5 lakhs. Then at number 3, we have Saik Banerjee, who has made more than 6 lakhs. At number 2, we have Aman Rajput, who has made more than 9.5 lakhs. And the topmost earner in our team is Shivam Gupta, who has crossed 1 million long back. And now his income is already crossed 13 lakhs in just 6 to 7 months. 13 lakhs. That's the kind of opportunity you have. Okay, so it's a huge platform. It's a huge earning potential what you have. Choice is yours, whether you want to keep making excuses or you want to take action right now. Take action, stop thinking, and this business can change your life. This is a huge opportunity you have, huge affiliate marketing business opportunity. So take action and we can help you to do this business successfully. So that's it from me now, and I will see you in training if you take action. So take action, stop thinking and take action. Okay, then only you can win. Thank you, take care, all the best.